always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronaut for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and get into this live cop for week 13. This is Stone Island's live cop, and honestly, I don't know how this is about to go, but I only do want the hat, and I'm debating on getting the t-shirt, but I don't even know if I'm gonna go ahead and do that in general. I feel like the price is way too expensive for me to go ahead and spend that on a shirt right now, so I'd rather go ahead and get a hat, and let's just see how this goes. If you do end up enjoying, leave a like on this one, subscribe down below if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so it's 11 a.m. and low-key shit should be dropping any second now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the hats tab. Shit is out, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and just click the black one. Bang. Let me see if I could cop this easy. This is all I really want this week, so I'm not even stressing on any of the expensive shit. I'm gonna see if this shit goes through for me. Bang. That should be good. What the fuck? Oh, I got high traffic, bro. Why did I get high traffic? Yo, shit is not sold out that fast. Yo, the hat is sold out. Damn, I'm gonna have to get the green one. Fuck it. Come on. High traffic? Yo, I've never gotten high traffic before. Damn, that's an L. Hold on. Yeah, the black one is sold out. That's the one I mainly wanted, but I'm gonna try to... Oh, this shit is gone too. Damn, should I get this orange one? Come on, son. High traffic again. Damn. Why am I getting high traffic so much? I never get this shit, bro. Let me try this again. Add to cart. Check out. Paste. 306. Sold out now. Damn, son, that's crazy. I didn't even get to buy shit. So this shit just went straight to the high traffic. I don't know exactly why. I've never even gotten that before. I don't even know, bro. It doesn't even make sense. All the Stone Island shirts are gone. The hat that I wanted is gone too. The bags are there, but who's really paying that much for a bag? I don't even know. Some of the pants are actually sold out, bro. Let me see if the hoodie sold out. The hoodie sold out in white. Yo, the $3,000 jacket sold out. That's crazy. The puffy's gone. The corduroy, yo, people really actually bought this shit. That's crazy. The hat is the only shit that I wanted, and it just slipped out of my arms. Like the balaclava sold out in the black color. I'm sick. I actually really wanted that hat. Oh shit, I forgot about the thermals. I don't even know if I want to buy the thermals. I guess they're cool, but do I really want to buy thermals? And my size is sold out anyway, so yeah, it's a dub. Damn, I'm sick, bro. This is the first week where I just don't get shit, and I actually tried type shit. Like I tried for the hat, and it just didn't work for me, bro. I'm sick. Like low-key, I'm actually sick. The lamp is still sitting. That's crazy. That shit is $300, bro. But I know this video might be a disappointment. Low-key, for me, it was just tragic. I don't know what happened, bro. I went quick as fuck, and I still got declined. I got the high traffic bullshit. If you guys know exactly what that means, let me know in the comments below. I feel like it's another way of telling you your payment declined or some shit like that. I don't really know, but if you guys do, let me know. If you did enjoy this video, even though it was a tragic video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click them post notifications so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I hope you guys were at least able to get what you wanted this week. Let me know in the comments what you were able to get, or if you just decided to sleep this week in general. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.